Welcome back to Easy Fun English Channel. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. If this is your first time here, welcome. This channel is for you. We make English simple, fun, and easy to understand. Today, I am alone, but that's okay, because today's lesson is just for you and me. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson. And now, let's begin. Today's topic is very simple, but very important. How do you study English? If you are a beginner, many beginners feel confused. They don't know where to start. They try, and then they stop. Today, I will share 5 simple tips. These tips will help you study English every day and really improve. Let's start with tip number 1. Tip number 1, study every day, even just 10 minutes. Many people think, I need 2 hours to study English. No, that is not true. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours. 1 time per week. Every day is the key word. Every day. I study English every day. Sometimes I study for 30 minutes. Sometimes just 10 minutes. But I never stop. Tip number 2, listen to English every day. You don't need a book. Just listen. Listen to English music. Watch a short English video. Listen to simple English podcasts. When you listen, your brain learns. It learns the sounds, the rhythm, the words. Even if you don't understand everything, that's okay. Just listen. Your brain is working. Tip number 3, repeat out loud. Always out loud. This is very important. Many beginners read English. They study English, but they don't speak. Speaking is different from reading. Your mouth needs practice too. When you watch a video, repeat the sentences. When you read a word, say it out loud. Right now, repeat after me. I am learning English every day. That's great. You just practice speaking English. It feels good, right? Tip number 4, learn simple words first. Don't start with difficult words. Start with the words you use every day. Eat, sleep, go, come, work, study, talk, listen, drink, walk. These are everyday verbs. Learn them first. Practice them first. Then learn nouns. Coffee, house, phone, food, book, friend, simple words, common words. These are your foundation. Tip number 5, don't be afraid of mistakes. This is the most important tip. Every English learner makes mistakes. I make mistakes. Even teachers make mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are how we learn. When you make a mistake, that's okay. Say it again. Try again. Every mistake makes you better. Don't be silent because you are afraid. Speak, try, practice. The only way to speak better English is to speak English now. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Study every day. Listen to English. Repeat out loud. Learn simple words first. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Now full sentences. I study English every day. I listen to English in the morning. I repeat new words out loud. I learn simple words first. I am not afraid of mistakes. That's great. You are speaking English right now. Now tell me, which tip do you like the most? Write in the comments. My favorite tip is number. Tell me why. I read every comment. I love to hear from you. If this lesson helped you, please give it a thumbs up. That's all for today. You did a great job. Remember, study every day, even 10 minutes. Practice makes progress. And you are already improving. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.
I hear you talking at work to the boys in the gym, talking at the bar till I walk in. Baby, why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking